I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice masala at home. First, ensure you have day-old rice. This is crucial for the perfect texture. Next, gather your favorite vegetables like carrots, peas, and bell peppers, chopping them uniformly. Finally, prepare your aromatic masala paste using fresh ginger, garlic, and a blend of your preferred spices. This preparation sets the stage for a flavorful dish. Now let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large wok or a deep pan over medium-high heat. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they become translucent, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Once the onions are ready, stir in your freshly prepared masala paste. Cook this fragrant mixture for just 1 minute, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. It's time to bring everything together. Add your chosen vegetables, such as carrots and peas, to the wok and cook them until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. Next, gently incorporate the day-old rice, using your spatula to break up any clumps and ensure it mixes well with the masala base. Finally, season generously with salt, pepper, and a dash of soy sauce for an extra layer of umami. Continue to stir-fry the fried rice masala for another 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are thoroughly heated and the flavors are fully combined. Once done, transfer your delicious fried rice masala to serving plates. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro or thinly sliced spring onions for a burst of freshness and color. This dish is perfect on its own or as a side. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.